hi, we're back.
Hi, yay, hello again.
Yeah, hello. So you wanted to talk about credit because that is a big deal when you're buying a house. That's something that a lender will always look at.
Yeah,
and as
first
a
and foremost.
realtor, I know how important it is, and I'm going to let you take that in a second. But as a realtor, I also tell my buyers, do not shop around too much. I do encourage you to shop around. I guess what I want to say is don't let everybody pull your credit.
Right.
You know, but I'm going to let you take it from here and explain what's happening in the world today with people's credit.
Yeah. There's a lot of fear about credit, and I think people that are fearful of credit don't really need to be. Usually your credit is not as bad as you think it is. A lot of times you're looking online and, you know, there's things that we can do on our end that improve credit really quickly, and we don't charge for that. So we review credit, we give consultations for free to help people to get them in a better financial position, because even if, you know, they're not buying a house and they have credit cards and car loans, if you have poor credit, you're going to be paying more because everything is based on credit score. And whenever we get an application, I take a look at that first and foremost and see what can I do to improve that situation so we can get them, number one, a better rate, lower costs, you know, a little bit better of everything. So I just want people to understand not to be afraid of credit, because the worst part about being afraid of it is not really knowing. And we can look at that, you know, literally, I told you, for free. We take a look, we advise you, we give you advice on what to do to improve your situation. And maybe you can buy a house and you thought maybe you can't. It's just important to take a look and not be afraid of that.
Yeah, that is important.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
For everything you do in life.
Yeah, it
Everything
really is.
based on your credit.
It is.
Your
everything.
car interest rate, I think, is based on credit.
Yep. Everything.
Your insurance rates based on credit.
Yep. Your credit card, what you're paying on your credit card for interest, that's based on credit. The better your credit scores are, you can actually call those credit card companies and negotiate getting lower interest on those cards. So something to, you know, there's all kinds of tricks and tips that we can help you with. I just encourage you to reach out, because if you're a renter and you're sitting there thinking you're always going to be a renter, that's not the case. And those are some of our best closings. People that think that they can't buy a house because their credit is poor, and we fix that credit and we help them, and you do what we tell you to do. It's one of the best things.
Yeah, so exciting.
Yeah,
and whether you're buying our house or not, I mean, obviously we are here to encourage buying a home because we believe in that.
Yep.
But at the same time, your credit is a big deal.
Yeah,
so
yep.
Reach out if you have any questions on that. Jane, your number is
612-868-9339.
and mine is 320-266-2126.